Welcome to a new video on my channel. Today we are diving into the world of nutrition and exploring the profound impact a healthy diet can have on preventing chronic diseases. By making mindful choices about what we eat, we can nourish our bodies and safeguard our long-term health. Join me as we uncover valuable tips for maintaining a healthy diet and its significant benefits and disease prevention. Number first, embrace balanced nutrition. Balance is key when it comes to a healthy diet. Focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This provides your body with the necessary vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants it needs for optimal function. Number second, limit processed foods and added sugars. Processed foods and added sugars often lack essential nutrients and can contribute to chronic diseases. Minimize your intake of sugary snacks, sugary beverages, fast food, and heavily processed foods. Instead, opt for whole, unprocessed foods to fuel your body. Third number, prioritize plant-based foods. Plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts offer a myriad of health benefits. They are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that protect against chronic diseases. Number four, moderate portion sizes. Maintaining portion control plays a significant role in a healthy diet. Be mindful of serving sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite and stopping when you feel satisfied rather than overeating. Fifth, stay hydrated. Proper hydration is vital for our all health. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to support digestion, regulate body temperature, and ensure optimal organ function. Limit sugary drinks and opt for water as your primary beverage. Be mindful of salt and sodium intake. Excess sodium consumption can contribute to high blood pressure and increase the risk of heart disease. Be mindful of your salt intake and choose low sodium alternatives. Flavor your meals with herbs, spices, and natural seasoning instead. So number, seek professional guidance. If you have a specific dietary needs or health concerns, consider consulting a registered dietitian or healthcare professional. They can provide personalized recommendations and guidance tailored to your unique requirements. So let's conclude this tutorial. Achieving a healthy diet is a powerful tool in the prevention of chronic diseases. By embracing balanced nutrition, avoiding processed foods, and prioritizing plant-based choices, you are nourishing your body and fortifying your long-term health. Remember to practice portion control, stay hydrated, and be mindful of sodium intake. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Take charge of your health, one nutritious choice at a time. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.